back with another video on my channel. Not back, actually my first video. And today we are playing no game modes, we are just on a single player world. And yeah, I'm gonna explain what my channel is going to be. It is going to be a lot of mod releases, but also a lot of gameplay, from Skywars to Population PvP to HEF, that kind of things. I hope you all gonna like my videos, and I'm now gonna show me playing. Oh, by the way, I'm not English, so I don't have that good of ping. I'm from a bad Europe land, and we're gonna put the free FPS 2.0. I live in the same country as the maker of this, and by the way, I record with that program. Oh, I have. Well, how could this be a FPS pack if I have not that much FPS? I normally have like 150, but not now. But because I'm recording with, then I normally have just more than this. Okay, we are in the game. Our ping is the baddest of the game. We are on the cheat breaker mods, not on the real cheat breaker. On 100 subscribers, I would release my. Wait, I'm gonna turn my Minecraft sounds thing some lower, 20 or something. On 100 subscribers, I'm gonna release my mod folder with cheat breaker cape included and my mod settings. Ja, oh my gosh, I was talking Dutch. Lol, I said, ja, ik. That means, yeah, I almost want. If I rage quit, I'm normally talking Dutch because that's normal for me. I'm training with English. Let me live, please. Can I live? Yeah. I have I already have some experience with YouTube because I also have a Dutch channel with 60 subs. Not that much, but it is good for starting YouTuber. Oh my gosh, I'm so god. I'm a god at this game. I'm cleaning. I'm sick, bro. Yeah, it's true, I'm sick, but I don't fucking care because it's just that I can't breath with one and with my nose. That sounded like I said with my noise. I can't breath with my noise. Wait, what? Oh, ik dacht even. Oh my. Again. I talk Dutch again. I said, oh my gosh, I thought it was, grape applesauce. The real one. That's a pixel YouTuber for the HF players will watch this, because I think there are a lot of there's a lot of. Did we won? If we end the Pro Clutch, we won. Now I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more of this, and then I will see you in the next video. Peace out, girls. Abonneer op Koekjesbear. Later.